what turned you on to manufacturing? You said you started kind of your manufacturing center, I think it was 3 or 4 years ago. So what turned you on to manufacturing?
I think it was the businesses in town. It was going out and touring the businesses, bringing my staff with me and seeing, obviously we heard that they were the clean, they weren't the dirty, dark, and dangerous as they used to be. And then seeing that and then learning how, phenomenally rewarding the careers that were in each of those businesses could be for our students made it a no-brainer. And then obviously then being in contact with Ann Evans and knowing the shortages in the state and then getting involved with what once was known as New Haven Manufacturers Association, all the different groups and saying, okay, wait a minute, there's an area here that we have students who definitely could benefit from this. We have citizens, we have parents who could benefit from this. And that's why through HUBCAP Wallingford, which is our nonprofit business incubator that we started now going on 6 years ago, fully funded through donations and the incubators that we lease, we were able to set up the pipeline program.